Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 benefits of incorporating AURALITE-23, the Stone of Awakening, into your daily life, into your crystal healing practice. And for those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. I appreciate your support and curiosity. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And today we're going to be talking about how AURALITE-23 can benefit your daily life. And AURALITE-23 is a gemstone that's really powerful, and it may look black in the video right now, but it's actually a deep purple. AURALITE-23 is mostly amethyst, but it's got inclusions of up to 23 other metals and minerals in each specimen. And if you're curious about what those 23 are, you can easily Google them, or I'll put them in the description below. But it's these inclusions in the amethyst stone that really amp up the benefits of the main base of amethyst. And we'll be talking about how that can help you today. And if you find that AURALITE-23 is a stone that you'd like to work with some more, then do check my crystal healing store for AURALITE-23 pendants that you can wear during your meditation and spiritual practices, because that's what this stone helps with quite a bit. And just a reminder that if you're interested in learning about all types of gemstones and minerals and how they can benefit your practical healing practice and your life situations right now, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll see whenever I post a new gemstone video. Today, this week, it's AURALITE-23. And the first benefit of AURALITE-23, which is known as the Stone of Awakening, is that it accelerates spiritual development. Since this gemstone holds inclusions of 23 different minerals, it really has the essence of all of the chakra colors in one particular stone. So it activates, cleanses, aligns all of your chakras. It really gets your energetic system flowing and opening you up for spiritual learning. So it helps us have easier access to higher knowledge and to absorb spiritual learning. So this is really great if you are a spiritual student, because you can take the stone to classes, to meditations, to rituals, to any kind of learning in which you want to be able to absorb and process and talk about the spiritual learning, and you want easier access to spiritual experiences. So this is a good stone if you've been trying to get the effects of an intuitive practice and don't feel like you're quite getting it, then this will help you access it easier. This stone helps to dissolve any energetic or karmic blockages that are preventing your spiritual growth and development. So if you feel like things aren't quite moving along in your spiritual life, your spiritual study, as you'd like it to, then carrying or wearing AURALITE-23 while you're doing your studies and practices will really clear the path for you. It will really remove those obstacles. The second benefit of AURALITE-23 is that it's calming and focusing. So it really helps with meditation practices. If you find meditation difficult, it's hard to clear the mind, release those thoughts, or just sit still, then AURALITE-23 is really calming and soothing. It helps release attachments to thinking. So it's also really good if you find yourself overwhelmed by worries. If you're one that has a worry that kind of spins around in your head and it won't go away, then AURALITE-23 is helpful to just release that. And with deeper meditation, it also helps then with your spiritual growth and development, because calmer and more effective meditation can help you access your spiritual experiences at a deeper level and easier. The third benefit of AURALITE-23 is that it helps you sleep. And this is another benefit to the calming aspect of AURALITE-23, in that, you know, if you're a type of person who has difficulty going to sleep, or you have an overactive mind, or you start thinking about your life at nighttime and your brain activity won't let you go to sleep, then this is a great stone to keep on your nightstand or in your pillow, because it will help you just release attachment to that thoughts, get out of the cycle of thoughts, you know, release some situation from the day that you might still be kind of chewing on and not letting go. And that just helps you go to sleep and get a better, more recuperative sleep. So the fourth benefit of AURALITE-23 is that it's deeply healing. And since it helps remove the obstacles to our spiritual development and our access to spiritual energies, then this helps us tap into our own healing energies much more effectively. And since it also helps us sleep, then it enables us to get that really good recuperative sleep that will help us recover from illnesses or injuries. Because sometimes when we're ill, just the stress of the illness or the injury can prevent us from going to sleep. And without sleep, then recovery slows. But this stone also helps release any kind of energetic or karmic block that's preventing you from healing. So again, it removes the obstacles up to your healing. So if you are recovering, or if you're currently going through an extended illness, you're recovering from one, or recovering from a major illness, or you know someone who is, then AURALITE-23 is a really great stone to have with you, just to help you heal more effectively. AURALITE-23 is just a power stone of house if you are a spiritual student, if you are actively working on developing your spiritual life, learning spiritual practices, reading spiritual texts, trying to, move towards awakening and enlightenment and your highest potential. AURALITE-23 really wants to unlock that within you. So if that is the path that you are on, I highly recommend you going to get some AURALITE-23. And if you feel like that's a stone that's really interesting to you and you'd like to work with it some more, then in 2 days on Saturday, I'll be posting a guided meditation with AURALITE-23. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to sit with the energy of a stone and see how you react to it. But you don't need a piece of the stone to benefit from the guided meditation. If anything that you've heard in this video, or if any of the prompts in the guided meditation really speak to you, call to you, or trigger you, then that's a sign that you should get a piece of the stone and work with it some more. So if you're new to the channel, again, I review a different gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post this these informational videos about gemstones. On Saturdays, I post the guided meditations with the gemstones so you can learn about a wide variety of gemstones and how they can help you in your life. So if you're interested in learning about all sorts of crystals, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And I hope to see you again during the guided meditation. Thank you.